Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at how a 3D printer became a conservation tool.
So, how can a 3D printer actually protect wildlife? Well, our story kicks off in South Africa.
It all started when Dr. Andrea Allen visited a really unique place, the Wildlife Forensic Academy.
Now, this place is incredible. It's an immersive training ground for investigating wildlife crime.
I mean, look at this setup. They create super realistic crime scenes for hands-on training.
And right there, a presentation by the group Traffic really hit home the scale of wildlife trafficking. They showed off this amazing idea, realistic 3D printed fins to train officers on identifying protected species. So, totally inspired, Dr. Allen came back to the States, and soon a 3D printer showed up. But yeah, at first, it was just a box. She was like, what do I even do with this?
But she just dove right in. She taught herself the software, the filaments, pretty much everything.
And for her very first project, she used that exact same shark fin file that started it all. And then the machine just whirred to life. It built the fin layer by mesmerizing layer. The result? A crisp white fin. It was way more than just a print. It worked.
But the project wasn't done yet. For it to be a real teaching tool, it needed, well, art. And that's where her colleague, Professor Alan Z, came in. He's an artist who brought it to life.
Just look at that difference. It went from a piece of plastic to a super realistic teaching tool.
And this is where the journey comes full circle, from South Africa to the US and back again.
So Dr. Allen took the finished fin right back to our partners at the Wildlife Forensic Academy. So the very fin that was inspired in South Africa is now actually being used for training there.
And you know, this one fin? It's really just the beginning of a much bigger project.
The whole idea is to print even more models and help train officers, students, and scientists. It just goes to show how one idea can build something real, literally layer by layer.